So today I'm going to be replacing the batteries on our UPS. This is a Riello DVD 2200. I've already taken the battery pack out, just here. Start by removing the Torx screws. These are T10s, there's 4 of them. I ordered the batteries from Amazon. I think they were about £140-ish, £150. I think that was ex VAT. So it wasn't terrible, wasn't too bad. The battery information for this particular one is just here. So I knew what batteries to order before I took the case off. So this particular UPS has 8 cells, or 8 batteries. They are 12 volt, 4.5 amp hour. You can see these are the replacements. Let's put this down here for a minute. Let's remove the old batteries. These screws over here, somewhere safe. 2, 3, 4. Let's remove the cables. One lot. As you can hear, that beeping has been driving me mad now for about 2 weeks. It's rather infuriating. Right, these particular batteries, the ones at the front, have these little plastic protecting clips on. I'm going to take these off, because this will stop it shorting out on the side of the case. All 8 batteries out. Go for the new ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. These have little short protection on. Stop the terminals touching anything. So we'll just take those off. 3, 7. Right, now fitting should be reversal of removal. We'll put these covers on just to make sure that the terminals don't touch the side of the battery housing. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Is that right? Now when you're putting the batteries back in the case, just just make sure that you don't trap any of the wires and none of the terminals short out on the side of the case. Otherwise you're going to have an issue. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The one thing to worth noting here is that you need to make sure they go black, red, black, red, black, red, just like a normal set of batteries. To give you a total of 96 volts on these ones, 12 volts each. So like I said, when we put this back on, just make sure we don't trap any of the wires. Screw the case back together. And now we can put the battery pack back in the UPS. Okay, so now we're back at the UPS. We're going to switch the power off. Right, it says the power's off, but it doesn't look like it is. Battery in. Cover in place. Got 2 Phillips screws. Clips in at one end. One. Two. Then we should just be able to plug the batteries in. One. Two. Should just be able to switch it back on. And it should start charging the batteries. There we go. Finally. And that is how we change the battery on a Riello DVD 2200.